Not prepared, I'm not prepared. Not prepared at all. Don't judge me, I'm not prepared. Gotta make sure you get my bun. Right? You need to see it. I'm like off to the side. Is that weird? Should I light a candle that's like YouTube? Is it still the YouTube thing to do to light a candle? I don't know. I'm so behind. I don't even have a lighter. Ah. YouTube 6 months ago. We lit candles. I don't know if I still do it. Do I block it? Sure do. Oh my god, my tan lines are, what, like, do I have neck? Why do I have neck tan lines? That is horrible. Don't look at that. What the frick? And now my chest is gonna get red because I'm embarrassed. It's been a minute since I posted a video, like January. You know, I look at my YouTube every now and then to see if anything blows up, you know, but it hasn't. But yeah, I just kind of, I got into, a lot happened in my life, got into kind of a funk about it, about YouTube, and just didn't have the want, the need, the drive to sit down and film anything. I didn't feel like people cared. I didn't feel like what I was saying was even necessary. Like, during, you know, COVID and everything, I fell off of even doing more makeup than just putting bronzer on my eyes when I do makeup. I actually put Tati palette on my eyes today just for you guys, just for whoever is out there. Was outside tanning, saw my Fab Fit Fun box came, threw it up in a bun that I learned on TikTok. Thanks, TikTok. But literally this is the first time I've done my makeup in probably 3 months that I didn't just use bronzer on my eyes. So just wanted to make sure I could still do it, you know? So yeah, a lot changed in my life. Work changed, life changed, friends, like, things have happened. I want to make sure I'm not setting this plant on fire. Something smells like it's burning, and it's not marshmallow fire, so I didn't know. And I just kind of fell into this, like, meh, I don't need to do it. But I got my Fab Fit Fun, and I've been wanting to actually just sit down and film a video for some time now. I just haven't found the time to do it. Work has been, woo, insane good, which is good, but also I'm worn out on the weekends, and all I want to do is jack crap. So, all right, guys, let's get into this Fab Fit Fun. You've probably already seen a million of them because everybody gets their box before me, but that's okay. This box is mine. It's huge this month. Like, I think there's something in here that might just be like too big for the regular size box, because that's what happens in BoxyCharm. Sometimes they send the bigger boxy because something is, this is probably like 10, 12 pounds. I don't think it's 15. Like 12 pounds. I have no idea what to do with myself right now. But yeah, let's get into this box. I'm so excited. Okay, got Gabby Douglas on the Fab Fit Fun catalog here. US Gymnast, badass. I usually flip through this. It just kind of tells you like all the stuff that you could have or did get in your box. So yeah, I think you can kind of like go on to Fab Fit Fun. Maybe you can buy some of this stuff, but it also tells you the value of your box. So you want to add everything up. Okay, it says in support of the Special Olympics. I saw an article in here about Special Olympics and was like, I think I saw it on the front of the box. So that's really cool. We're in this together. Ooh, I think I got this like picnic basket looking thing. I wish it came with all that stuff in it. Oh, let's read our horoscope. Oh, this is a quote for your horoscope. All right, for my horoscope, I am technically a Leo. But I feel more like a Cancer because I'm on the cusp, you know? So I'd like to read both and see which one makes more sense for me. I just make my own rules, you know? Leo, a candle loses nothing by lighting another candle. Use your glowing radiance to help others shine. And Cancer says, 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than by the things you did. I freaking believe that. Your intuitive mind will not lead you astray. Dare to explore outside your comfort zone. Yep. Oh, it just thundered. Oh, that's why I came inside, isn't it? Yeah, okay. Whew. Okay. Mason Home Scent Collection Solstice Diffuser. Oh, did I pick this? I don't remember. Let's open this up. This. Oh, this is from Pottery Barn? No way. $59. No diffusers in my house cost $59. They're all from Target. Cool. I've actually been wanting a diffuser for my bedroom. So maybe this is the one. Especially at Target today, like you don't need it, you know. I guess we should open this and see what it smells like. I'm glad I put this light up because it's about to get dark in my house. Thunderstorms every afternoon here. It seems low, doesn't it? I feel like it should be like they jet me. Oh, I hope that didn't leak because that just popped right off. Whew! I just stuck my nose in a perfume bottle. It doesn't say anything on it. It just has like caution warnings. So I got some sticks. Sticks. Now it's raining. Goodness gracious, this thing is in here. Oh, shit. Look how pretty. Stacks. I love it. No, I'm super pumped. That's a really pretty, like, dark bronzy color. And holy shoot. It's windy. I should bring my lounge chair inside. Just like a folding one from Target. I'm excited. I don't think you can really tell what it smells like until it diffuses. It does its thing. But I'm excited. That is $60. It says Pottery Barn Mason Ceramic Diffuser in Solstice. Scents of bergamot, geranium, and vetiver. Looks cool to me. I'm excited. I love a good $60 diffuser because I would not buy that myself. The Lifestyle Co. Beach Mist Botanical After Sun Spray. Nice. And the scent fresh. This says shake gently before use and spray onto face or desired area of the body. Yo, we are getting like a thunders. The wind is blowing really bad. Like, I'm not sure how these limbs are staying on these trees out there. Okay. Is there like a tornado I should know about? Okay, this retail, while I'm checking for Jesus, you see if I'm under a tornado watch. I like that. It's really pretty. I really like the look of the packaging. I think that's really simple and yeah, I think very beachy. I'm just gonna check the weather. I'm just gonna check the weather a little bit. How much is this? I like this. I think this is gonna be a really nice after sun thing. $42. The Lifestyle Company reset and refresh your skin by spritzing this soothing aloe, mint, and lavender mixture. Mint, that's what I smelled, and I was like, what is that? I think that's really pretty. I like it. I'm excited about it. $42. Woo! Summer and Rose, a place for everything. Ceramic tray. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, my trash cans are outside too. Ooh. How cute is that? This is not in the magazine. I have no idea. I don't know how much this is because it's not in the magazine, but it's a cute little ceramic dish. Great for like throwing your earrings in it, necklaces, rings, hair ties, that kind of thing. A bar of soap, maybe? It is like deep enough and wide enough for a bar of soap. Your phone? Not quite. Ooh, a makeup sponge. What the? Makeup drop hybrid makeup applicator. This applicator features a silicone side and latex-free sponge side to give your makeup a flawless finish. That's interesting. So you have like a hard, not hard, but like a silicone side right here. You can kind of see how it like teardrops right there. And then this is the other side is the spongy part. So interesting. I wonder how this feels once it's wet. It feels very almost latexy right now. This retails for 20 bucks. I've heard they're not really worth the hype, but I'll throw it in the collection. We'll try it out. See what we think. Oh, there's something real in here. Original roll-on fragrance. Riddle. Oil original roll-on. This perfume mixes with your personal chemistry to create a signature scent that's unique to you. 50 bucks. Let's see what my signature scent is. So I guess you gotta let it sit for a second. Right now it kind of smells florally. Let's see. So I got a Kula Mineral Face Sunscreen Matte Finish, Sheer Non-Greasy, Fast Absorbing Plant Protection, SPF 30, and water resistant. I'm excited about that. I don't have anything from Kula. It's kind of a whitish, like almost like a white yellow. But rubs in nicely. See it. It smells very earthy. Kind of smells like the green powder I have in my pantry. That's weird. I'm not sure I like that smell, but maybe that's just like a natural. Yeah, maybe it's just like a natural smell, which is probably better for you than the sunscreeny smell. But I don't really like the scent of it. I might pass it along. Farm to Face. Well, that might be the farm that we're smelling. Quit smelling it. Antioxidant enriched, cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan, and reef-friendly. So there's 2 Kula sunscreens in here. One is mine. One is the Mineral Face Organic Matte Finish Sunscreen Lotion, SPF 30, light as air formula, applies like a dream, finishes and features a farm to face formula. It does feel really nice. It's not greasy, it's not oily. It's powdery almost. 36 bucks. And then there's the Kula Mineral Face Matte Finish Cucumber Sunscreen Lotion. Award-winning matte formula features rosehip and flaxseed oils to restore moisture and rejuvenate skin. Oh, Canada only? US only. So this is the other one that you could have gotten if you live in Canada. There you go. For us US gals, this one. US, Canada. US, Canada. It's bubble wrapped. I don't even want to attempt that. Terre, 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 Mary, Terry Mary? Terry Mary, is that what you say? I don't know. You guys tell me, how do you pronounce that? Okay, thanks. Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. Also bubble wrapped with pink bubble wrap on the inside. That's really cute. Oh my, this is a glass bottle. I'm like tossing it around. No wonder it's bubble wrapped. How pretty is this? This would be super pretty on a vanity. Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. Reveal your best skin yet as the aloe and tea tree combo soothes skin and sloughs away dead skin cells. Shipping, blah, blah, blah. $54. There's a plastic piece on top. Oh. How does this work? Oh. Oh, I feel a little silly right now. Okay. So you twist the cap off. And then there is this little piece in the top here, and it swivels. And I was like, oh, I bet it swivels because you open it, close it, because it's got little divots in it. It's like putting like cotton around, you know? It comes off. And you've got the little toner, like typically, like all toners have this little hole in there because you don't want to get too much product, you know? Ooh, it smells like straight rose. Yep. Whew. I would guess maybe do you keep the little piece to go on top and like plug it so it doesn't leak? Seems smart. I'll try it. It's expensive. Still trying to smell my personal scent, you know. Got a lunchbox. How cute is this? Business and Pleasure cooler bag. It's a cooler. Love it. I love it already. How stinking cute. This thing. Ooh, stinks. Super cute cooler bag. I love it. It's so cute. So it's got these little handles that button together. Exclusively for Fab Fit Fun, this little cooler bag is not only cute, but very versatile. Beach days, work, school lunches, picnics, day trips, and weekend getaways. It's got a strap too, so handle and straps. And just a little cooler bag. That's so cute. I'm so excited. This is going to be a great little pool bag to put my water in. And then it's got a little pocket right here, maybe good for like a pool key, or wish it zipped. That would be even better, because then like if you're at a hotel or on a trip or something, you can put your room key or your door key or something like that, your keys in there. Obviously, I'd be afraid to somehow slip out. Like you're slinging the bag around or something, but no, I'm super excited about this. I think I picked this out and I was like, oh yeah, perfect little cooler bag, and it's cute. It's like canvasy. I love it. This retails for $59. I work from home, so I won't be taking my lunch to work. My lunch is already at work, but maybe when I get back to traveling, I can take it with me on the road. So cute. All right, let's do, I think that's everything. Math. All the things I do. All right, one of these things I didn't have wasn't in here. Okay, it's $59 for the diffuser, $59 for the lunch bag, cooler bag, $36 for the sunscreen, $54 for the toner, $42 for the mist, $20 for the sponge, $50 for the roller ball thing, scent. Where did I get the little ceramic tray? I have no idea how much that is, but right now this total comes at $320. I pay $50 for the box. Once 4 times a year, $50. Worth it. Very excited. All the stuff in here, super pumped about the toner and the lunchbox and the diffuser. I like them. I like everything except the sunscreen. And maybe this sponge. It seems a little like if you're gonna spend $20, just go buy a beauty blender. I don't know. I'm not a fan of this silicone thing here. I like something that like presses foundation into my skin, you know? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my Fab Fit Fun unboxing. My super late in the season Fab Fit Fun unboxing. Nonetheless, it was fun. I hopefully will get back to doing more videos. I love it. I enjoy it. Like I said, life work has just been a lot, so I haven't had a lot of just free time that I haven't wanted to spend with family when possible because of just being inside so much. And really I go to Target and the grocery store, and that's about it. Hopefully once things kind of mellow out a little bit, I can get back to doing a few more videos. I enjoy them. I have been really slacking. I haven't really bought any makeup. I've just been replenishing what I need when I run out of it. So I want to do an empties. I want to get all this trash out of my office, so hopefully I can do that. So hopefully more to come. I need a hobby that's not sitting in my house or watching Netflix. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a good one. I hope you're happy. I hope you're safe. I hope you're well, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. God, these tan lines. I have nothing. Like, how does that even happen? I'm just gonna talk like this the whole time. Is that okay?